Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Happy New Year's, Naya Saal Mubarak. Today I have a very special video for you. In Urdu, every relationship has a special name. That is khala, mamo, chacha, susar, saas, etc. Sounds familiar? Today I'm going to show you who is who by making a simple flowchart, so it's going to be very easy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about relatives and relationships like native Urdu speakers do. You will be able to know what is father-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, and your uncle, aunt, etc. So let's get started. This is going to be very useful for you if you're learning Urdu as a heritage language. And then in the part 2, I will teach you the mother-in-law and father-in-law and that kind of vocabulary as well. So let's get started. This is you, ye aap hai. Your mother is ammi, walda, but ammi is more common, it's more casual. Then the mother of your mother, your grandmother, is nani, and her husband is nana. So nani, nana. Everything feminine in Urdu ends with e, and everything masculine in Urdu ends with a. So nana is grandpa and nani is grandma. So your mother has a sister. Her name, or what you call her, is khala. Kha is a bit, it comes from the throat. Khala. It can be a difficult sound to produce. Khala. Her brother is mamo. Mamo is your uncle, basically, the brother of your mother. Mamo. Their counterparts, like the partner of your khala, is khalu. Khalu is the husband of your aunt or auntie. So khala is your aunt and khalu is her husband. Mamu is your uncle and mami is his wife. Okay, now let's go to your father's side of the family, which is called Dadyal. Dadyal is your father's side of the family and Nanyal is your mother's side of the family. Nanyal and Dadyal. So your father is Abbu. Abbu is a very local and very casual term for your father. Abbu. And another word is Walid. A lot of people call Baba as well or Papa as well, whatever. It's different in different families. But Abu is the most common. I used to call my father Abu, and some of my friends call their fathers Papa or something like that, or Baba. So that's also common. Another word for Abu is Walid. So now the mother of your father is Dadi. Dadi is your grandma from your father's side. And then her husband is Dada. Dada is her husband, your grandpa from your father's side, Dada. Okay, so now that's covered. Now let's talk about your uncles from your father's side. That can be a bit more complicated than your mother's side. So let's dive deep. So the older brother of your father is Taya. And the younger brother of your father is Chacha. So, for example, I had one Taya. Mere ek Taya the. Unfortunately, all of my uncles have passed away. So Taya is an older brother of your father. So mere ek Taya the. To give them respect, you can also say Taya Jan. Like I used to say Taya Jan and stuff like that. And Chacha, or some people say Chachu as well, is the younger brother of your father. Chachu is the younger brother of your father. Chachu. मेरे कोई चाचा नहीं है. मेरे कोई चाचा नहीं है. मेरे अब्बू सबसे छोटे थे. My father also passed away. So my father was the youngest. So I had no chachu. Chacha nahi the. Now let's talk about sisters. The sisters of your father is phuppi. phuppi, that is the sister of your father. मेरी तीन phuppiयाँ हैं. मेरी तीन phuppiयाँ हैं. I have three aunties. मेरी तीन phuppiयाँ हैं. मेरी तीन phuppiयाँ हैं. Wife of your taya, the older brother of your father, is tai. Tai is the wife of the older brother of your father. And then chachi is the wife of the younger brother of your father. So chachi, tai. Chachi, tai. Husband of your auntie phuppi is phuppa. Phuppa. Phuppa is your uncle, like the husband of your auntie. Phuppa. Was that helpful? Let me know in the comment section. If you want a PDF file, you can get it on patreon.com. Here's the link. In part 2, I will discuss in-laws vocabulary that is coming next week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know that you're watching and learning from it, because that would really motivate me. And I'll see you next week. Have a nice day. Goodbye.